world market analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are imperfect and shaky. The world requirements a considerably more steady and solid cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning maintainability and versatility. Be that as it may, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Over and over, the mixture agreement component of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has likewise been in warm conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the interesting highlights of Tezos. Nonetheless, not many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Tremendous exchange expenses and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles and deductively created stages. Numerous digital currencies neglected to change these issues. Digital currencies like Tezos has progressively plagued the standard awareness and built up some decent forward movement. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception. Tezos, development from quality to monster. Breaking free from the recent blockchain. Tezos was authored as one more unrest in the realm of second-age blockchain in the year 2018. Affectionately called a local digital money, Tezos blockchain is fit for facilitating brilliant agreements and dApps. Presently what compels Tezos stand apart from its rivals like ETH, Bitcoin, and others is that here the direction is incorporated into the blockchain itself. Every one of the proprietors, i.e., financial backers of Tezos, the local crypto XTZ, vote on choices connected with the blockchain, including convention changes. Supported changes are then naturally applied, as the blockchain is self-change competent. This one-of-a-kind quality causes the whole convention to bring strength, particularly with no significant stage-situated picture changes. Chipping away at verification of stake causes Tezos to bring the upside of lesser exchange charges to the table. In the DPoS framework, where stakers are called bread cooks can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. XTZ tokens with a typical measure of remunerations get conveyed to dough punchers to wallets that have appointed tokens to the pastry specialists. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to partake in the approval process on the off chance that they hold not exactly the necessary add-up to turn into a full dough puncher. Tezos is likewise effectively associated with reshaping regulation and consistence to creative business guidelines testing the ongoing environment. Group Tezos understands that blockchain's maximum capacity can be bridled just when the essential structure is set up to make this progressive innovation a blessing from heaven. A very much monitored group of committed experts and researchers of Tezos incorporates Hubertus Thonhauser as the director with Alexis Bont, Daniel Bosses, and Marilyn Mitchell out as individuals from the Tezos establishment chamber. The leaderboard of trustees of Tezos has prominent names like Ulrich Sauter, Arthur Breitman, and Roman Schneider as the CFO. Tezos. The rising sun Tezos cost expectation has really somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from the outset towards the year's end. XTZ has had a memorable excursion all through. All said and done, XTZ pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. New organizations would carry XTZ to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto opponents of XTZ. The last year was provoking with enthusiasm to express buy to, basically because of pandemic negative patterns winning carrying the coin to 90 pennies. Be that as it may, the start of 2022 implied XTZ could offer a buy to all negative and critical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XTZ. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with confidence. There could be a gauge of marvels in the realm of digital forms of money like XTZ. There could be enchantment temporarily. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment, as indicated by the most recent long-haul Tezos cost conjecture. The coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. By 2022, the normal cost of Tezos will be at $1.7, most extreme cost $1.97, least cost $1.53. Tezos cost figure toward the finish of 2022 may be around $1.65. In light of our Tezos cost figure, the XTZ cost could stretch around $3.50 by 2022. The most extreme cost may be around $4.34 and the base will be around $2.95 before the current year's over. Tezos Value Forecast 2022. In the event that all market factors turn for Tezos, This digital money cost will perform abundantly, scaling the top as aforementioned, violating all impediments over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few drowsy patterns, it would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Supported by strong savvy gets, the Tezos cost may handily contact $5.60 before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. The geniuses cut the usefulness behind Tezos digital money. Thus, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to quit slacking with different coins to show up at a $6 minus $6.80 cost. Financial backers, be that as it may, need to look out for any unexpected elements. No one could anticipate the pandemic. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the cryptographic money markets. Tezos is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all obstructions scaling $8. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. A stunning good faith is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, chiefly because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Subsequently, this year will be a uber gold mine for the cryptographic money market as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant obstruction level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another unequaled high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Expectation 2026. Almost certainly. A simple-to-utilize Tezos is great. It is more practical and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, dependable organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with valuing increment a lot higher to the new all-time high around the $12 mark. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2026, the Tezos value changes might try and see a tremendous development in the following couple of years. Numerous crypto market tutors dread that it might see some highs and lows. Be that as it may, these misgivings may not hold for a really long time. As at last, the Tezos coin will balance out to bring heroic returns for its financial backers. Everything relies upon the group action, expected innovative forward leap, or significant level association. As concurred previously, Tezos needs to do an enormous upgrade in building organizations and joint efforts that increment perceivability and imbue more assets into the task, making it important for every one of the clients and financial backers the same. It would be then expanding in cost complex. Tezos, let us cut what's in store. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. With controlled world economies moving towards downturn, it is demonstrated certain that advanced monetary standards will govern the monetary realm. Definitely, Tezos will be one of the most urgent rulers of this wild, arising as a very unique and energetic power. Tezos will be the pick and selection of financial backers to trade, basically on the grounds that it has endured for the long haul. And furthermore, financial backers have found a component of dependability implanted in this token. Without a doubt, Tezos has extraordinary potential and will generally